Hello guys, let's continue with series of short videos and instructions of magazines I'm making at the moment. Today I will present you some things for the FX Crown and Dreamline. First of all, here is single shot loader that slides into the breech block from the right side, and it's held in position by a small part here. And when you are pressing it out, just lightly press here and push it out, it will go out. Simple operation: open, load the pellet, close it, and then with the pellet probe push it into the barrel. Like all the loaders I'm making, this one also has, just a second, small plunger with a spring ball on it, and you can set the tension here in this small hole. When it's open, set the tension of the ball to make it a little bit harder or easier to open or close. This version is without O-ring inside the tube, and this one, you can see, this is in 30 caliber. This one has, I don't think you will be able to see it, it has O-ring incorporated, and that prevents, when you load the pellet, this is 30 caliber, and if the rifle is leaned toward back, the pellet can't fall out or can't fall forward. Some users prefer loaders without O-rings, some prefer with. They are available in all calibers in both versions. When you close it, just simply unload. That's the way how single loaders work. Another thing is magazine for FX Crown or Dreamline. This one is standard size magazine. This one is in 22 caliber. It has small indexing window here where you can see how many pellets is left inside the magazine. Loading process is simple. Turn it this way and just rotate, insert, rotate, insert pellet, rotate, insert pellet. We won't go all the way to the end, and unloading is very smooth and pellet friendly, pellet skirt friendly. This one is in version with the glowing pellet wheel. I will try to show you. I'm not sure it will work, but let's see. Not yet. Now, yeah, now you can see. I will make a small shadow. You see, it makes loading during the night or bad visibility easier. I will turn the lights on. Okay. Another one is mini magazine. Why mini? Because a lot of users were asking me for smaller magazine to be able to use the lower scope mounts. So you can see when you compare them, this one is few millimeters lower, so you can use lower scope mounts. Let's compare in millimeters. This is 8 of standard one, 40, 48, 49 millimeters, and this is mini, it's 40, 43, 44 millimeters. Few millimeters, but it makes difference for some users. The most important thing is that it is available. If you need it, you can get it. So that's all for today with the Crown magazines. Okay, bye.